Keeping your car's interior clean is not just about looks, it's also about comfort, hygiene, and preserving your vehicle's value. Dust can quickly build up on dashboards, vents, seats, and carpets, making your car feel stuffy and neglected. Here are some ways to remove dust from your car's interior. Start by taking everything out of the car. Remove all trash and place it in a bag, then gather items that don't belong in the car. Take out anything that should stay in the car and set it aside temporarily. Once the car is empty, remove the floor mats and set them aside. If the mats are carpeted and have stains, use a vacuum and a brush to remove dust and dirt. Once the car is empty and the mats are set aside, start vacuuming the interior. Use a vacuum with different attachments to reach every corner. Begin with the seats, and don't forget to get into cracks, seams, and under the seats where dust and crumbs often collect. Take your time and make sure all the loose dirt and debris are removed before moving on to wiping surfaces. After vacuuming the seats, move on to the car's floor to remove dirt, crumbs, hair, and other debris. Use a vacuum with a flexible hose to reach tight spots, especially under the front seats. Before you start, quickly check the floor and remove any small items, as these can get stuck in the vacuum and cause damage. To clean stains on car seats, you can use a carpet or upholstery cleaner. Spray the cleaner directly on the stained area and let it sit for about 5 to 10 minutes so it can loosen the dirt. After that, take a damp microfiber cloth and gently wipe the spot, pressing lightly to lift the stain and remove any leftover cleaner. To polish the windows, spray a small amount of glass cleaner directly onto the glass or onto a microfiber cloth. Wipe the window in a circular motion to remove dust, fingerprints, and smudges. Then, use a dry part of the cloth to buff the glass until it looks clear and streak-free. To clean the windshield from the inside, spray a little glass cleaner onto a microfiber cloth instead of spraying directly on the glass, to avoid drips on the dashboard. Wipe the windshield using up and down or side-to-side motions, making sure to reach the corners and edges where dust often collects. After that, use a dry section of the cloth to buff the glass until it's clear and streak-free. To clean the dashboard and front area of the car, spray a little interior cleaner onto a microfiber cloth. Wipe the dashboard gently, covering all areas including around buttons, knobs, and the steering wheel. For hard-to-reach spots or air vents, use a soft brush or a smaller cloth to remove dust. Once clean, you can use a protectant to give the dashboard a nice finish and help reduce future dust buildup. A protectant is a special liquid or spray used on car interiors to protect surfaces like the dashboard, vinyl, and plastic. It helps block UV rays, which prevents fading and cracking over time. It also leaves a smooth finish that makes it harder for dust to stick. To clean the car's headliner, begin by gently brushing the surface with a soft brush or using a vacuum with a brush attachment. This will help remove loose dust and dirt without damaging the fabric. Work across the entire roof carefully, applying light pressure only. If you see small stains, spray a fabric or upholstery cleaner onto a microfiber cloth instead of spraying directly on the headliner. Dab the stain spot gently with the cloth to lift the dirt without soaking the material. Be careful not to scrub hard or use too much liquid, as this can weaken the glue that holds the headliner in place. To clean the black plastic trim inside your car, spray a small amount of interior cleaner onto a microfiber cloth or directly onto the surface. Wipe gently to remove dust, fingerprints, and smudges, making sure to reach corners and edges. For textured areas or tight spots, use a soft brush to loosen dirt before wiping again with the cloth. This method will effectively remove dust and keep all the plastic trim looking clean. Car cleaning gel is a handy tool designed to clean hard-to-reach areas inside your car. The gel is soft and sticky enough to pick up dust, dirt, and crumbs without leaving residue behind. It's easy to use, just press the gel into small cracks and gaps, and it will pick up dust, dirt, and crumbs without leaving any residue. Made from natural materials with a light lavender scent, it's safe for your car's interior and can be reused multiple times until it darkens. After each use, simply store it back in the jar in a cool, dry place. This simple routine will help keep your car dust-free. With a few simple tools and regular care, you can easily remove dust and keep the inside of your car looking fresh and well-maintained. Regular cleaning of your car's interior helps keep it looking fresh, dust-free, and well-maintained. You not only improve comfort and hygiene, but also protect your vehicle's value.